In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stickers in Canva, perfect for adding a personal touch to anything from notebooks to laptops. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open Canva and navigate to the home page. You'll want to start by selecting the option to create a new design. Here you'll see an option to custom size. Click on that. This allows you to set the exact dimensions that you want for your sticker. After clicking on custom size, you'll notice that the measurement is set to pixels by default. For stickers we want a more standard size, so go ahead and change px to inches. This will make it easier to scale your design to a size that's practical for a sticker. Once you've switched to inches, type in the dimensions 3 and 3. This size is ideal for most sticker purposes as it's compact yet visible. When you're ready, click on Create New Design. This will open a new design canvas where we'll work our magic. Now that we have our canvas ready, head over to the left panel and click on Elements. This is where you can find various design elements to use in your sticker. After accessing the elements, you'll see an option for graphics. Click on that, and from here you'll have a wide range of pre-made graphics to choose from. Pick one that fits your style or the theme you want for your sticker. Simply drag and drop the graphic onto your canvas. You can adjust it to fit the space as you see necessary. To add some depth to your sticker design, click on your graphic and then select Edit at the top. From the editing options, locate and click Shadows. Adding a shadow can give your graphic a more layered look. After this, find the option named Outline and select it. This step is important for making your sticker stand out against different backgrounds. You can customize the outline by clicking on the color icon. Choose a color that complements your design and enhances the overall appearance of your sticker. If you want to modify the size of the outline, simply use the slider provided to make the adjustments that suit your preference. Once you're satisfied with the design, you have the option to share it. At the top right corner, click on Share, then Download. To ensure your sticker looks seamless when applied to different surfaces, make sure to select Transparent Background in the download options. This removes the white space around your sticker, making it perfect for layering. Finally, click Download again to save your design. Congratulations! You've just created a personalized sticker in Canva. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for unleashing your creative side.